How to fix Roblox games kicking you out on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Roblox games kicking you out on Android phone. First open settings and then scroll down until you find here apps, and now click apps again, and here just type Roblox and then click on it. And first thing you need to do here is you need to clean permissions, to click permissions and then click storage, and now allow it. Maybe you will find it like that, then just click allow, and now go back and go to this one here, click for stop and then go to storage. Click clear cache, and now just go back and try again, and I hope that can fix your problem. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.